Hi there, David Taylor or Mr. Pelargonium back with another video. I'm actually just about to film a video for the Pelargonium and Geranium Society. It's been a little while, I know. Been very busy. We're preparing for our move and we have a date. Filming this on Saturday the 31st, the last day of August, 31st of August. And we have got a date. It was all sorted out yesterday, the the 30th of August, and we're moving on the 10th of September. Yeah, bit later, certainly, probably significantly later than I ideally wanted, but hey ho, that's the way it is. So we're moving on the 10th of September. I'm going to do a video on the Pelargonium and Geranium Society channel. As I said, I'm going to cut this big boy back because I've cut back now virtually all of the plants that I need to cut back. There's a certain amount of de-leafing which will have to wait. That's going to have to wait until potentially getting in a new greenhouse, but that's another story entirely. I have actually ordered my new glass house. It's quite a biggie, but I'll talk about that in a later video, probably when we're in our new location, in our new home. I'll talk through all about that then. So there's going to be a lot to do. I will be filming everything about the development of the new greenhouse, doing the groundwork and all of that type of thing on this channel. So stay tuned for updates on that. But this is going to be quite a short one. I just wanted to put it out there that at long last, we have got a date and we're moving on the 10th. So anything to do with the moving plants, potentially next weekend, once we've exchanged contracts. We're still yet to finally do that. I will be getting all my plants over next weekend, which is the, 7th, 8th, that weekend. So I'll probably do some filming then as well, of just loading up the van with all of my plants. It'll take 2 trips probably. I've got to hire a van for the weekend. But that's to come through. So I'll call it a day for there on this channel. It'd be a bit of an update going through on the Pelargonium and Geranium Society. So get your eyes over there if you want to see a little bit more of an update on my plants now. But I'll see you again potentially next weekend. Not entirely certain when I'm going to be able to get the editing done of the filming, but that's another story. So that may follow a little bit later, but we'll see how it goes. So that's it from me on this one. Bye bye for now.